In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the rear cargo light in a Ford Escape or Mercury Mariner. We're going to take this old light out and I'm going to put in a new LED. Why do you want LED bulbs? Well, if you ever happen to leave this on accidentally overnight, your car is still going to start in the morning with an LED bulb. And the LED bulbs are a little more of a white light and they're a little brighter. So there's the rear cargo light that we're going to change. The first thing you're going to want to do is make sure it's off for about 5 minutes so it's not too hot. Now to remove this cover, you're going to need a small flathead screwdriver, and don't just stick it in straight or at that angle. You're going to want to push it in at this angle right here. There's a little metal clip behind there. You want to get behind that clip, straighten it out, and then you can pull this down. Now that it's down, you can see this metal clip I'm talking about, and you want your screwdriver to go in there and kind of push that metal clip out of the way, just like that. Now when handling any type of bulb, whether it's for your car, a headlight, tail light, or even in your home, always use latex gloves. The oil from your fingers will get on the bulb. It actually creates a hot spot and causes bulbs to burn out prematurely. Now to remove this bulb, you just need to push in a little bit, about 1/8 of an inch, turn the bulb, and the bulb will pull straight out. Now here's the LED bulb I'm using, and I'll put a link for Amazon in the description below. Now to install a new bulb, you're simply just gonna push in and twist, and it will lock itself in place. There's a little tab there at the back. Just give it a little pull and make sure it doesn't come out. Now to reinsert this housing, you want to make sure that the wiring gets up inside the cavity. And this end here with this connector is going to go in first and push it all the way to the back. And then you simply push straight up. Before with the original bulb, that's what the new LED looks like. Congratulations on changing your own LED cargo light. Hope this video was helpful and informational to you, and thanks for watching.